a must-have hands-free leash for every dog owner. Heavy-duty rope. Fully reinforced with leather that prevents leash from shedding. Very simple, wear it around your waist. Fully adjustable, move the ring to a comfortable length. Heavy-duty hooks and rings, stainless rust-proof steel. No cold feeling, extra leather piece behind hook. Free rotation around waist to adjust to the dog's running direction. Adjustable length. Numerous rings adjust it to shorter or longer. Extra use, tie the dog to a spot, or hold two dogs using both hooks. Walk two dogs with extra leash part.